All right, so we're here. Oh, now it's gonna be jumping around. Let's see if I can close this. It's still kind of, yeah, it's still, oh man, because it's all the graphic. All right, see, this is not even this. This is not even set up. So it's gonna say 0 wins and all that stuff. I have to actually set this up. Um, uh, see, each pair is different, but I would have to actually see. This has to go up. This has to be 55. Hold on, wait. Mm, mm, mm. Wait. See, I'm doing this without looking at the sheet. I don't even know where the number is. 50% wins. 78, 81. The values are a little different on USDJPY. So you see the number moving, right? Uh, you see how it jumps. Okay. See, I said 55, right? Let's see how that really. I think this was 59. Or was it 100? Huge difference, right? If it starts to go down and do too much. Oh, that's right. This is USDJPY. This has to be like 100. All right. So, your net, your average, SL 100, TP 55 SL. I mean, TP 100, SL 55. Average pips to trade 25 pips per trade. Something, or whatever. Net pips 5,715. 52. This win rate should be higher, but whatever. 223 trades. And this is over, well, I think this is a year. I think that time frame's a year. I think so. No, wait. Let's see. I know this one's over a year. So whatever. I have some that I have settings that are where this thing goes crazy. Like I think on USD. I'm not even here to do this, but I think it was. I'm just playing with the numbers, playing around. This one has to be lower. 63. I have some settings that make this so much. I think the most I got out of it was 71%. All right, whatever. Anyway, so forget that. Okay. Um, oops. Toggle that off. So how I'm trading this, this is my own indicator that I made. Thank you. All right. The way this is, see how the red's up top and not on the bottom? Because this is a consolidation zone. These are like consolidation zones. Um, and typically, what I do is I take the trade when I see an engulf right on this side of sell here and a buy down here. Um, but if it breaks out, like I'll get a breakout notification, I immediately close the trade, keep losses short. Um, I don't necessarily trade these. I like to trade the engulf, but I use these as a sign that lets me know to get out the trade, to get out the engulf trade, right? And typically, I think on audio, see this goes five, one, two, three, four, five. Yeah, five, and then starts to reverse. Okay, you got five blocks. I mean, it's not like a hard rule or anything. Just when it gets to five is when I start saying, okay, you know, we might exhaust. Um, so I know I can get some of this, some downward momentum. Get into the sell. This did go here because it's on its fifth box. I'm gonna try to actually hold that to 55. So this goes 13. Then we had a breakdown here, pulls back. Uh, Typically, the pullback should be about 75% of the previous block, which we see that here. Break down again, and then we see for about 75% of the previous block down here. But actually, this right here and the failure to break, you know, me seeing this, I would be looking to get out of the trade, possibly re-enter at the 75% area, shorting, right? Maybe grab that again, get 90 pips for myself. Try to get down to here. Um, then we got the breakout break. I don't see any engulfs, but I'm gonna show you. Uh, it's not even set up properly because all of these are alerted. So I don't want too many. I don't want a lot of trades. I want to wait for great setups. So I'm not trying to have a bunch of signals. Um, two trades per day per account. That's it. You know, good or bad, like green, it goes green or it goes red, whatever. Um, I don't make sure well, I didn't check my volume. Um, this is classic. This is what I love. You want to see that cell stick right above there, right? And then you see that rejection candle, right? The retest and the drop. You see it touch that side, or at least get in the that last bracket, that last green zone. I would like to see a buy candle here, like what do you call it, the buying off. Get back in that sucker. But there isn't one here. If there was, it probably would have pushed further up here, maybe something like that. Probably up here, but This was breaking out upwards. Didn't break out again. Uh, Pulled back. Um, Went further. Wow, even down here. Hmm. I would think it would stop right here and then go here, but it didn't. Had more momentum. Then turned around. Uh, break. The fifth box, sixth box. It's one, two, three, four, five, six. I would be looking for something in the fifth box, but the sixth box showed the signal here. Went back inside this zone down here. That's a confirm. Boom. But you notice that it didn't go more than 75%. Well, like 80, 75% of the previous consolidation area and started headed back up. So gotta watch out for that. Oh, and here it is. See? So I mean, if I get a sell up here again, it would be so great, but I don't think it's gonna happen. Um. Oh yeah, wait. That's right. It's off. Oh yeah, and I accidentally showed you my stuff. These are all the indicators that I made. So I added this different stuff that I like and um, things like that. Um, Alert settings. And, oh, I need to do. That's what I wanted to do. Reset. There we go. All right. All right. Now we got a little more signals. The standard stuff, right? So, what trade do I not want to take? Well, uh, trades that are inside this zone, that are above this zone, or if it's up here, I know I'm gonna go to a lower lot size. So you see how, you know what? Let me see if I can turn off this grid. What is it? Is this cross it grid? All right, there we go. See that line there? This line, and you got the third line. See what happens is, you get a signal, and it's in this third zone that it's not going to be really as strong. It needed to touch this first, then kind of go out. It just, they end up breaking out. It's just not a good. It's not a good engulfing signal. Okay, your buy should be at least in the last two zones. Your sell should be at least in the top two zones. And then your SL is right there. It's just your SL is so close. You're not gonna be like, really taking 55 pips. You still can, as you can see, right? There's the way to be profitable. Let's see. This one was what was this one? Just curious. Oh wow, it was immediate. It wasn't that strong of a candle, but I would have at least gotten 20 pips out of it. But let's say you held on to it. I mean, it just would have been all the way. Yeah, you was really holding, but nice reward, right? I mean, still, not something I would take, but crazy reward, man. Um, when these are pushing right up under the cells, I know not to take those. See, there's no cell right over here, right? There's a cell under this one, so I mean a buy under the cell. When they're like that, yeah, no, don't want to do that. These are breakouts, and these cells are happening because the RSI is so high. You know what I mean? Um, this is a this is another one. Uh, you would have been holding, I would have been out of it right here, and just wait for the for it to come back to the zone. So see, it touched the bottom here, came back into the previous zone, and you definitely would have caught something nice, caught 100 pips. Mm-hmm. Um, pop. So we get one, two, three, four, five. Get ready, sell, boom. Yeah, this one would have taken this one. The center buy. You see, it can't get back into this zone. It just kept getting rejected because if it did, it would have continued down here. So yeah, you want to watch for that. So, up here. Yeah, totally would have gotten out. I wouldn't even have waited. See a buy right there. Just you know, don't get greedy. Um, one, two, three, four, five. Drops touch the bottoms of the next one, and let's drop there. Re-entered. There's nothing. I wouldn't have done anything. There's no. Yeah. There's no engulf up there, so I wouldn't have done that. All right, these are level. Okay, the top level. One, two, three, four, five. Buy, perfect entry. Oh yeah, and then this would have happened. Oh man, I would have been holding. I would have gotten out right there. Let's see, where is it? Right here, up to right here. So, 204 pips. Sweet. Would have grabbed this. No, that's in front of it. It's not the fifth box. No, wouldn't have grabbed that. Nope, 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 nope. I can notice it here. Made something, but see, it's weak. See how because it's not down here. It's way up here. It's weak. Give you something. It's a return. It's not bad. Uh, you would have gotten a nice little 50 pips on it at 60 at the most. We got at the top. But on a drop, the return is going to be 75% of the previous. This was only 50, so that's a strong drop. Um, yep, we're going to close this out. One, two, three, four, five. Actually, well, one, two, three, four, five. Right here. So, all right. And that's it. It's pretty much, that's how I'm trading using my indicators. Peace.